Have you ever wondered why the world's most brilliant minds, from Silicon Valley CEOs to elite athletes, are abandoning modern manuals to reclaim practices from millennia ago? The truth is that your brain possesses high-performance neural circuits that urban life has simply switched off. And the ebook, it's not just mumbo-jumbo. Ancient wisdom integration is the technical protocol to reconnect these systems through cutting-edge science. We are not talking about abstract mysticism, but ancestral biohacking. A biological data engineering that uses the knowledge of ancient civilizations to optimize the human hardware in the 21st century. The burden of feeling disconnected, anxious, or mentally exhausted is not your fault. The hidden enemy is evolutionary mismatch, a phenomenon where your DNA, shaped by eras of practical wisdom, collapses while trying to process digital chaos and modern sensory pollution. The common mistake is dismissing ancient knowledge as superstition, ignoring that practices like dopaminergic fasting, rhythmic breathing, and natural exposure are, in fact, low-level commands for your autonomic nervous system. Without this integration, you are operating in survival mode, wasting the latent potential of your biology. To elevate your level of consciousness and performance, you need a neuroscientific translation method. With the ebook, it's not just mumbo-jumbo. Ancient wisdom integration. You gain immediate access to practical shortcuts for integrating focus rituals, energy recovery protocols, and mental resilience techniques validated by centuries of observation and now by MRI scans. This is a high-speed execution guide focused on hacks you can apply today to stabilize your brain chemistry. By merging the ancient with the modern, you create a cognitive advantage unreachable by those who ignore the roots of the human experience. The valuable insight you can apply right now is the geoelectric anchoring technique combined with single-focus meditation. Small victories in regulating your heart rate through millennial wisdom today translate into a clarity of thought and unshakable personal authority tomorrow. This is not a book of theoretical philosophy. It is an immediate access manual for anyone who wants a shielded mind and an optimized body through the strategic integration of the past with the future. The window for human evolution requires you to stop looking only at the next gadget and start looking at the protocols that built empires. Do not allow your performance to be limited by the myopia of the present. Secure your access to the ebook It's Not Just Mumbo-Jumbo, Ancient Wisdom Integration now, and take command of your mental architecture. The link to download your guide is right below in the description of this video.